Good night, class. I am the English teacher. Today we will talk about the lesions. Number 1. Reading it. Watch and listen to the video of the song. Don't Not Stop Me Now from Queen. Identify in the words that have an apostrophe. Number 2. The blueprint. When talking about the connected speech, we have a large number of words for which there are forms of pronunciation, one strong and one weak. Okay, one strong is apostrophe. The relation of on or another pronunciation will depend of their this word apple is isolate or as an integral part of a sentence. This means that a significant amount of information is not necessary. For example, do you want a glass of water? You is pronounced with the sound Janet. Prepare this activity. Taking into account the image given to the class. Each student will write and 3 paragraphs document evidenced the usage of LE at the lesions.